Video is going. What's going on? We have some kind of
Something very
monster
heavy
monster fish.
and
I
very-
hope. Very heavy and
very
crazy.
agile. Oh, you
What?
see that spine?
Yeah. Oh no, I didn't see it. Oh, what is it?
It's a pike.
It's a pike. I don't see the size exactly, but we'll see now. Let me
Looks
see.
like it's a big one.
Okay. Looks like big one. Okay. Well,
Not that big actually.
not that big, but
Yeah.
pretty big, but not that big. Okay,
Okay, that's fine.
fine.
Give it.
Not bad.
Give it.
Okay, over here, closer, closer. Yeah. Okay, we got it. Oh, look at that. Look. Nice. Yeah, but
Very agile.
it was very feisty.
Yeah.
Like, looks like a much bigger fish, right? I thought it would be a monster fish.
Yeah, I thought that too.
Crazy.
It was fight like a hell.
Yeah.
Especially from the
It's okay.
distance.
It's not bad.
Not bad at all. Yeah.
All right. Video, but no, not a big pike. A pike, but not big pike. All right. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. George Lake, Robber 7. The fish. Beautiful lake. Not so cold, feels like +3. I don't know. What do you say, Alex? +3?
I don't know.
+5?
It's actually pretty cool.
Cool.
We were expecting +7 today and
Yeah.
sun,
Warmer, but
and it never happened.
Never
So
happened.
far, it's already here. 20 minutes past 4. I mean past 3, but I don't know.
look, we're using a bobber. Bobber fishing.
Yeah.
Look at that.
The real fishing rod, that's what we call it.
Real fishing rod.
Yeah.
Okay, unsuccessfully so far, but we'll see.
But we have fun anyway.
Yeah, fun. Okay. Did you start?
Yes.
Wow, it's heavy. It's heavy. Oh. Okay.
Mostly pikes today.
Pikes. Hala, Detlef. Hallo aus Manitoba. Look, this is where we are. Schön ist See. Alex, we're here. This is what we're using. Fish, wobbler. Okay.
That's the way.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, going. All right. Action. Action. And no fish. Okay, choose. Fine. Okay, second day of fishing.
It's
Sunday.
heavy.
Heavy. Yeah.
Heavy.
It's like maybe how much?
I
15
don't know.
kilos? 15 kilos maybe or 10?
About.
Yeah.
No, it's more than 10.
More
that's
than
for
10.
sure. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
It's about 15 kilos.
So second day, not as good as yesterday, but still some pretty good sized pike. All right.